Super Bowl preparations. I've got a pot of chili, and this is on extra low, just it's done. It's been done for a couple hours. I've got water simmering, and the purpose of that water is because I have a whole lot of competition barbecue meat from last weekend that I vacuum sealed, froze, and pulled this morning, and I'm going to stick it still in the vacuum sealed packages into the hot water to warm. That way I maintain the moisture of the meat, don't dry it out, and temperature wise I'm going to try to do it where things like my pork and brisket go in to the pot, and I have chicken and have burn-ins which have been rendered out, and I just may put those in my sous vide machine because I have the sous vide going now. It's at 185, and I've got 8 ears of corn in there, and they're packed in a vacuum bag with butter, and they've been going for a couple hours now. I'm going to pull it, but since I'll already have the hot water, I can put some of the meats in it to warm. After it's warmed, I just pull it out of the packages and serve. I've got my table set up partially. I have a lot of friends who are going to be bringing other side dishes. In my pressure cooker, I do have some greens with a smoked ham shank, and that's been going. It's got about 15 more minutes, 14 more minutes left on it. Got my cutting area set up, utensils. Got hamburger buns to make pulled pork sandwiches. And I've also got my little serving trays with sterno so that I can keep everything warm on the countertop. For my chili, I'm going to move it to this serving station, and it's a butane burner. I have onions, which will be in this dish. I'll have sour cream and some cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, which can go on the chili. Not sure what everybody's bringing. They sort of said category like a salad, a dessert, that type of thing. And so we'll see what we get. Bar is set and ready. Trying to encourage people to use plastic cups so that I don't have to wash a lot. Living room is set up. And what I did do, I have a rug that I've rolled up and put over in the corner because I don't want anybody getting barbecue sauce or red wine on it. I know, a little selfish, but I'm protective of that little rug, that big rug actually. It's a rainy day, game day, and I don't expect that anybody will be going outside on the deck because it is predicted that the rain is going to start to come back again around 1-ish. We're going to set up the fireplace, and that'll be going to keep everybody warm. Have the television here in the living room, which will come on closer to the pre-game events. We're good to go. This is game day at Sylvie Curry's house. And we've got everything prepped and ready.
Sideways. You don't follow them across the field. Leave on the 8. The Patriots got to get vertical, just like they did. Flying back on the 23rd, and no one gets back.
Chicken, brisket, pork ribs, brisket burn-in, one on the top, pulled pork,
Grand champion.
chili, Chili fixin'. Collard greens.
What is in there?
Collard greens. We got meat in it though.
Well, but it's just cooked with meat though, right?
Cooked with meat.
So I, yeah, I'm not opposed
They
to
started
it.
trash talking each
Okay.
other.
I won't tell.
Yeah.
Okay.